We use our cars a lot, and over time the clutter can accumulate. Your interior can get worn, and sometimes you need a little bit of extra comfort and padding in your seating. Luckily, Cabin Crew has everything you need to tidy, protect and enhance your car's interior. If you need a way to tidy up your car's cabin and keep your cargo in a manageable, accessible and most of all safe place, then look no further than the range of Cabin Crew interior organisers, cargo nets, device holders and storage containers available at Supercheap Auto. Maybe you're driving long distances and you need a bit of extra comfort and support, or you're a passenger and you'd like to take a little nap. The range of cushions and memory foam seat pads from Cabin Crew has you covered. When you have kids, pets or generally unruly passengers to cart around, it's a good idea to protect your upholstery. Cabin Crew offers a wide range of seat protectors to suit all sorts of vehicles and all sorts of passengers. From the front seat through to the cargo space in the boot, there's something to protect your interior from kids, pets and anything else that might cause damage. If you'd like to equip your vehicle's interior space for long journeys, organise it on your daily commute, or protect it from damage by pets and kids, then head to your local Supercheap Auto or jump online and check out the range of super helpful products from Cabin Crew.